Welcome to ChopChopChef. Today I like to do with you my version of a toast Hawaii. It's a very easy, simple dish. Yeah. So for this one we will need a nice white sliced bread, yeah, a Gruyere or Emmental cheese, yeah, a nice good cooked ham, and a pineapple, of course. But I will do them as well with a red onion confit. So the red onion confit we put on first because this has to cook a little bit. So what we do is we're cutting the onion in quarter, and then what I call it in julienne, yeah, so very fine. So one full onion we do. Now this onion, obviously, we're putting in our pan. In the pan, we're just coming to the stove over here. Yeah. So we're heating up our pan to a medium heat. We're putting a few drops of olive oil in there. And what I will do is with my red onion confit, I put later on, you will see a little bit orange rind in there, as well, obviously balsamic vinegar. So this will be red onion confit with caramelized balsamic. Now we got a good heat. Let's put them all in here. Just put it on the side. Okay, so this one we just let simmer nicely on a medium heat, as I said. Yeah, but already now I put a little bit cracked pepper on there, and a little bit orange rind, yeah, as I said before. Okay, not too much. There we go. So that one sorted. Oh, this smells good. Oh, this smells good. Onion, orange, and in a few moments we're putting our balsamic on, so it caramelizes. Will be very nice. So we want to have the onion just a slight color, yeah, and then we're putting the balsamic on. Now our onion got a light brownish color, and now we're putting our balsamic on it. Beautiful. Yeah, oh, a little bit steam. Okay. We stir this nicely around, and now we let it sit on the heat so all the liquid evaporates and at the same time soaks into our onion slices, onion julienne. Okay, on low heat, no problem. Yeah, now we're going to the next thing. What I will do is for my toast Hawaii, I do today fresh pineapple rings. Alright, there we go. What we do here is, okay, we break off the head, we put it on the side, and then we peel our pineapple. Very easy. Surely you have seen this one on our shorts. Yeah, nicely. The best is always with a serrated knife. Yeah, it's the easiest thing, what I find. And you need a nice ripe pineapple, of course. Okay, let's get this one off the bench here. Okay, done. And now we want to have a nice pineapple rings. Yeah, not too thin. So beautiful. Okay, let's put that on the side here. And then, obviously, we want to take the core out of it. So what I do today is, I have a little bit of cutters here, but yeah, maybe a little bit. Yeah, that will do. That will do it. And here we go. Pineapple ring number one. Yeah, we do this a few more times. 2, 3, and 4. And now this pineapple we pan fry nicely as well in a pan. Yeah, okay, we're coming over here to the stove. Yeah. While we are here, we have a look at our onion, what they're doing. Yeah, doing all, you can see already the liquid is nearly evaporated. Yeah, so I put it now just on keeping it warm. Okay, smells good, we leave that here. Yeah, looks good, caramelized, very nice. Alright, now over here, a butter in here. Yeah, in my pan. I mean, this is clarified butter, or ghee, if you may call it. Yeah, give this a little bit of heat. If you use fresh butter, you can, but you have to be very careful, otherwise your pineapple burns too quickly. Okay, again we need a good heat here. Yeah, we're putting our pineapple rings in here. Sizzle, sizzle. There it is. Again, we only want to turn them around once. Yeah, so we let them sit here now for 2-3 minutes, then we turn it around. Okay, coming back here. Coming back here, it means we have to clean up our mess first. Okay, first thing first. Okay, now for our toast Hawaii, I have 4 slices of white bread, a nice good white bread, and I toast my slices. So we put that one in, and then we're coming over here. So as I said before, we're having our Emmental cheese Gruyere, or a nice good, today I have a nice sort of leg of ham. Yeah, smoked leg of ham, look at this, beautiful. Yeah, that's what you like. Don't be too stingy on that. Yeah, the same with the cheese. Okay, just one moment, I have to go to my pineapples. Okay, coming good, coming good. Yeah, but they still need a little bit longer. Yeah. Okay, okay, okay. Our pineapple, they're kind of caramelizing as well. Yeah, I can see this one. Yeah. Now we turn them around. Oops, you see, beautiful, nicely brown color. That's what we like. Beautiful. Just slightly colored. Okay, same thing on that side. Yeah. So we leave it in the pan for 2 minutes. Okay, let's see our pineapple. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's good. That's good. So they're doing a good job in there. But I turn the heat sources off. Now we just let it sort of cook fully through. Yeah. Now I can see already our toast is ready to go. Yeah. So what we're doing now is our toast. Bring it quickly over here. What I do is now I take a little bit butter. I butter my toast as well. Yes. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And now I'm using 1 slice of cheese. I get my pineapple. Okay. Then comes our ham, excuse me. And with the ham, of course, is such a big slice, right? So you just rip it a little bit in pieces. What you want to achieve is that the ham is nicely in the square of your slice of bread. I mean, of course, yeah. And as I said, we are not too shy here, yeah. Like that, and keep the ham is a little bit room temperature, not too cold out of the fridge direct. Then we're putting our beautiful grilled pineapple on there. Look at this, how nice it is. And now we're putting a little bit extra cheese on it. Yeah. So I have 1 slice on the base, and then maybe other one here and here. So, and this cheese nicely melts in here again. So I make 1 more time. We do this one here Yeah, easy. Look at that. Oh, this looks so good. Okay, all nicely inside. Putting a slice of pineapple. Yeah, if you have a nice barbecue, yeah, char grill, you can grill your pineapple on a char grill. Get an even more better flavor. Yeah. Cheese, as I said, Edam or Swiss. Now I transfer these slices on a oven tray, baking tray, and I gratinate the cheese so the cheese nicely melts in there. So I will take this one now. I put my oven on a top heat only, on grill, yeah, and then we just put it in here for only 1 minute because it will go very, very quick, yeah, and then wait and see. Oh yes, look at that, beautiful, 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 yeah, our toast Hawaii, yeah, freshly gratinated. What we're doing next is we transfer it obviously on our dinner plate. Yeah. And surely you must have noticed something is missing, right? Of course, our red onion confit. Now my little touch to this whole thing is here with our red onion confit with caramelized balsamic. Yeah. And that's the ChopChopChef's version of toast Hawaii. As simple as that. Thank you so much for joining me on ChopChopChef.